What is up, YouTube? Toto Bravo here, back again with another video. Happy Friday to y'all. Today I'm unboxing what I believe is the biggest sleeper of 2018, and of course the shirt tell you otherwise. So make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to your boy. So I got my package today from Eastbay. So you wouldn't believe me when I tell you I paid 90 bucks for these sneakers. So let's get right to them. Here's the box itself. You'll probably already take an educated guess. Let's read the tag. USA 9.5 Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colorway is Hyper Royal and sale. Price 160 bucks, but with the discount I paid 90 total dollars. So let's get right to it. Here they are. They're also dubbed as the He Got Game ones. Is it tied up with the movie? I don't know, but that's how they're dubbed too. So these colors, as you may know, it represent Lincoln High School. For those of you who attended Lincoln High School, probably argue with me. So check the front. It's pretty tumbled leather. So sale Nike Air on top. Sale Nike Swoosh. The sale midsole. And sale Jumpman stamp. Check the outsole. Royal blue, or Hyper Royal blue as they're dubbed. Check the we see the insole, Nike Air, sale, the Hyper Royal blue insole. Alright, as you can see, you have the sale shoelaces, the Hyper Royal blue laces already on them. Right shoe should be the same. Nothing fancy. Let me know in the comment section if you feel that these were the biggest sleepers in 2018. I feel like they are, but other people might not. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Deuces.